Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's festive episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken and bacon stuffed roulade. It's amazing. It's one of my favourite Christmas sides. It's a Paulie's Kitchen special recipe and I'm going to share this with you. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video. But on a serious note, if this is your first time here or you haven't clicked like, comment, subscribe, please do that. I'd be really grateful. Cheers. So guys, we're going to dive straight in and all the ingredients that you'll need for this special recipe are right here. Don't worry if you do miss these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out there for these and you'll be able to catch them down there. The pork stuffing mix that you'll see in there, I'm going to pop the link there. It's one of my earlier Christmas playlist recipes. Do check that out and you'll be able to find out exactly how to make that. First thing we need to do is we need to take our thighs. I have deboned them already. They have come from the turkey. I've got an extra special turkey recipe, releases tomorrow, check that out. I've got the thighs from the actual turkey itself. All we need to do is we need to take our sharp knife and we need to just cut the skin off of these. And what we're going to do, we're going to pop that down there. So we're just going to take our glass bowl back and we're going to pop these into our glass bowl and pop that to the side. So next thing we need to do is we need to take our cling film and we need a nice long sheet. We're just going to cut down one side. So the next thing we need to do, guys, we need to get our bacon. We're going to line up our bacon as straight as we can while keeping our cling film as flat as we can. And we're going to gently overlap each slice of bacon. Make sure there's no gaps. So now that our bacon's all lined up like that, we're just going to smooth it out. And then we're going to take our turkey thighs and we're going to place them one over the top, just like that. Then we're going to take our stuffing mix and we want a nice thick sausage shape in the middle. Let's put a little bit more here. Lovely. So we're just going to open the thighs right up and then we're going to put the thighs around the stuffing. That. So this is the tricky bit, so pay attention. You watching? You ready? So we're just going to lift the bacon up over and then we are going to roll it and then we're just going to tuck it underneath and then roll it back. And what you should end up is you should end up with a nice seal, the bacon overlapping the bacon underneath. So we're just going to roll that up like that and then we're going to take the ends and we're just going to roll across. So we're going to take a small baking tray and we're going to pop that on there in my fridge for about half an hour just to let it set. So yeah guys, our roulade's been in the fridge for about half an hour, so what we're going to do is we're going to unwrap it. It looks absolutely delicious. We're going to take our oil, we're just going to pop a little bit in there like this. Just going to pop that down there. So we're going to take our pastry brush, grease up our baking tray. Put that down there, let's pick up our roulade and pop that there. So we're going to bake it for 15 minutes with a sheet of foil on top. In fact, what we need to do really is just brush the top in the oil and hopefully that will stop the foil sticking to our roulade. So we're going to pop this in the oven like this. We're going to bake it for 15 minutes with the foil on and then we're going to take the foil off and finish cooking for another 5-10 minutes. See you in a bit. So yeah guys, that is how you make a turkey roulade. Absolutely amazing for Christmas. It's turkey, bacon, stuffing. It's absolutely incredible and it needs to be on your Christmas Day table. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, hope you're inspired. Merry Christmas and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye bye. Cut one end off and I'm going to throw that over my shoulder and completely miss it. Oh.